it's a real problem because anytime we're trying to hire somebody, it's to try to convince them that we're the place to work, but they've got to drive 45 minutes to an hour to get here. It's a tough sell. And I think it's this problem is obviously not just the Needham problem, but that's what we can control. And as people who live here, and we want to see this, this community be, do better and certainly do really well to sort of start to solve this problem along with all the other communities that are in the greater Boston area. I think the neighborhood housing plan for sure does that. And I don't think it's just some sort of haphazard, let's just build as many houses as we can.